Good morning. Today I'd like to talk about the technology of biometrics. First of all, what is biometrics? Biometrics is the science of a person's appearance or behavior. For example, human beings all have a unique physical appearance. They have different eyes and different hair, and everyone has a different way of walking or moving, so we can also study their behavior. So how can we use biometrics? Well, it's very useful in the area of security. At the moment, if you travel through an airport, you need your ID or passport. If you go to your bank to get some money, you need a card and a special number. But what if you lose your ID, passport, or bank card? Biometric technology can solve this problem. Your biometric information is your fingerprint, for example. If you press your finger onto a screen, the technology can read the fingerprint and check your identity. Airports already use similar technology that looks inside your eyes and also checks your identity. Biometric technology can also recognize your voice and your movements. Finally, are there any problems with this technology? Well, it's very expensive, so you'll only see it in places like airports, banks, or government offices. And sometimes the technology can make mistakes. However, in the future, the technology will be cheaper and more effective, so it will become more and more important in our everyday lives.